Rogers On Demand not working? Let's fix it. Most issues stem from simple problems. First, reboot your devices. Power cycle your TV, Rogers modem, and the Rogers app itself. Turn them off for 30 seconds, then back on. According to user data, this resolves about 70% of minor glitches by clearing cache and refreshing connections. Next, check for error codes. These appear on screen and indicate specific problems. Code 1001 means account authentication failure. Check your login details. Code 2002 signals a server-side issue, so try again later or contact Rogers support. Knowing these codes helps diagnose the issue quickly. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally 25 megabit or higher for HD streaming. Lastly, make sure your Rogers app is up to date. Old versions often have bugs that cause playback failures. If rebooting and checking error codes don't resolve the issue, it's time to check your Rogers account. Verify your billing status, subscription tiers, and parental controls through the Rogers app or website. Common problems often stem from unpaid bills or regional restrictions. In the October 2024 mass outage, billing errors accounted for 15% of user issues. Rogers' 2025 Q3 report showed that 35% of all error reports were account-related. For rural users, slow internet connections often trigger error code 4004, causing buffering overload. While reboots provide temporary relief, long-term solutions require improved internet infrastructure. If problems persist, contact Rogers support directly. Also, check the official Rogers status page for any reported outages in your area. Telecom analyst Brian Santo from Forrester notes that educating users on these simple fixes can prevent 65% of support calls. Looking ahead, Rogers plans to launch a fully cloud-based version of On Demand by 2026, which should reduce reliance on physical hardware and provide greater stability.